Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its exceptional calculation and quick exchange speed have made it perhaps of the most famous computerized cash out there. Many individuals are thinking about what's on the horizon for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our AVAX coin cost expectation. Kindly recall that our cost expectations don't comprise speculation guidance. Consistently do your own exploration prior to trading any digital forms of money. What is torrential slide? Fueled by the coordinated non-cyclic chart streamlined agreement system that works with quick exchange speed and versatility, torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Torrential slide additionally has its own local token called AVAX. There are multiple ways for AVAX holders to acquire rewards. For example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more AVAX tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as hodling AVAX, you can likewise procure compensations by running a validator hub or marking your tokens in one of Torrential Slide's numerous dApps. Torrential Slide utilizes a decentralized independent association to decentralize power and come to conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of AVAX token holders who can decide on recommendations that will affect the organization. Torrential Slide is somewhat exceptional in that its center stage really comprises of three distinct blockchains: the trade chain, the stage chain, and the agreement chain. Every one of them have particular capabilities and purposes, however, are completely interoperable, which permits the Torrential Slide organization to amplify its effectiveness, speed, and adaptability. Torrential Slide live value graph. Here is the ongoing cost of the Torrential Slide coin. AVAX USD rates by TradingView. Torrential Slide specialized examination. The Torrential Slide digital money answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar heading as the remainder of the crypto market. AVAX has likewise shown that it has both mooning potential and important help to ascend back up again in any event. When the circumstances are difficult, to wrap things up, the coin's market cap is areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of composing, AVAX was inside the main 20 digital forms of money on CoinMarketCap. Generally speaking, these things highlight a long-haul bullish as opposed to a negative pattern for Torrential Slide. Concerning the transient AVAX cost estimate, if it's not too much trouble, take a gander at the gadget underneath. Refreshed continuously based on different markers, for example, moving midpoints and the general strength file. It typifies the aftereffect of Torrential Slide's specialized examination performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies AVAX is probably going to ascend from now on. In the event that it's so, the coin's cost might decline soon. Torrential Slide value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Torrential Slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Torrential Slide will be $21.65. The greatest level that the AVAX cost can reach is $27.01. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $22.45. Possible return for capital invested: 56.5% by AVAX value figure for January 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Torrential Slide toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical AVAX pace of $16.87 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $15.42 and at $17.35 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 0.52% by February 2023. Torrential Slide value gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the AVAX cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $16.74, while the most extreme could reach $18.03 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Torrential Slide may be around $17.54. Expected return for capital invested, 4.5% by AVAX value estimate for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Torrential Slide in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal AVAX rate they anticipate may be around $17.89 in WALC 2023. It can drop to $17.25 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $18.73. Expected return for capital invested, 8.5% by April 2023. Torrential Slide value estimate around mid-year 2022. The AVAX cost will be exchanged at $18.25 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Torrential Slide worth to $19.62. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $17.61 in April 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 13.7% by Avax value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected torrential slide costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $18.62. The most minimal and top Avax rates may be $17.97 and $20.53. Possible return for capital invested, 18.9% by June 2023. Torrential slide value figure. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Avax cost will be around $19.18. In June 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $18.53. The normal pinnacle worth may be $21.46 in June 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 24.3% by Avax value figure for July 2023. Having dissected torrential slide costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Avax rate could arrive at a limit of $22.23 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $18.92. For July 2023, the determined normal of torrential slide is almost $19.56. Likely return on initial capital investment, 28.8% by August 2023. Torrential slide value gauge. Around mid-2022, the torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $20.34. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Avax cost could change somewhere in the range of $19.70 and $23.21. Possible return on initial capital investment, 34.5% by Avax value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the torrential slide worth won't dip under at least $20.11. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $24.23. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $20.75. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompany. The greatest exchanging worth of torrential slide will be around $25.26, with a chance of dropping to at least $20.94. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $21.58. Likely return for capital invested, 46.3% by Avax value conjecture for November 2023. In light of the value changes of torrential slide toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $22.01 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $21.21 and at $26.13 individual. Expected return on initial capital investment, 51.4% by December 2023. Torrential slide value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Avax cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $21.00